Hi everyone, welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Don't miss any part of this video, because here we're listing 10 unbelievable and insane innovations that will blow your mind. So without further ado, let's start the video. MXB Shocker R. The MXB Shocker R represents a more extreme throwback to the big wheels of our childhood. This more advanced and certainly more versatile version of the concept, which is more lowered to the ground with a more reclined riding position and pedaling system, is present at the back. Steering is accomplished by a handle attached to the rear wheel, which makes this vehicle able to perform the most astounding of feats, including drifting, taking tight turns on two wheels, and spinning 360s while carving embankments. At the moment, the MXB Shocker R is only available in the United States and Canada, and it comes at the very affordable price of $360. Chariot Skates. The Chariot Skates are an innovative design, which make use of the advantages presented by the rider's lower leg being harnessed inside a hinge support system which suspends the foot below the main wheel's axle, lowering the center of gravity with a small wheel attached to the rear to ensure stability. This design enables the user to mimic the movements of skiing, which consequently allows the rider to speed over rough terrain while maintaining a smooth skating experience. A pair of this versatile equipment, along with some extras, could be yours for the price of $4,250. Get it while stock lasts. Segway Project Puma. A fun collaboration between General Motors and Segway has predictably given rise to the Segway scooter with the autonomous driving technology and forward thinking of an electric vehicle. This compact project is about 1/6 the size of an average car and is capable of driving up speeds up to 35 miles per hour for up to 35 miles on a single charge. It has a dual electric in-wheel motor, which is powered by a lithium-ion battery, and utilizes a similar balancing technology as the Segway scooter, with additional stability granted by the second set of wheels. As if this wasn't enough, in the future, the Puma will come with a link to other vehicles of the same design in a bid to prevent collisions. Uboat War Submarine. The Uboat War Submarines were designed for easy and safe use. These versatile vehicles could be used for wreck diving operations in the Mediterranean or an exploration dive in the Arctic Sea with equal facility and have the capability of diving up to 3,000 meters underwater while comfortably carrying up to 3 people. Powered by a pressure-tolerant lithium-ion battery system, the Uboat War Submarines allow you to explore the most beautiful of Mother Nature's seascapes while reclining comfortably in the safety of your vehicle. It's no puzzle why this submarine is popular amongst underwater researchers and explorers, as well as among deep-sea cinematographers all over the world. Rinspeed Oasis. The Rinspeed Oasis serves as both a means for travel as well as an entertainment center. In order to avoid distractions and ensure in-transit safety, the Rinspeed Oasis also comes with a self-piloting option when the driver feels tired. As a part of the entertainment system, the Rinspeed Oasis comes with a keyboard, a little garden, as well as a comfortable chair, TV, and table. The Oasis is also equipped with an electric drive and a large solar battery on the roof to supply power for entertainment, while its controlled rear wheel tires provide excellent maneuverability during transit. XCEL BladeMate. The XCEL BladeMate is as extreme as the name implies. Originally designed to transport heavy blades of wind generators, this heavy-duty trailer can also be trusted to carry loads of surprising weights. This is due to its unique hydraulic steering system, which increases the power, efficiency, and safety of this vehicle while making sure that it retains its road maneuverability. The axle system of the XCEL BladeMate is designed to rotate in order to keep it in perfect alignment with the truck and ensure that it moves with perfect synchronicity. Zog Snowblower. The Zog Snowblower is created by Zaugg which is as difficult to pronounce as it is to spell. It is the industry's latest response to the problem of snow clearance on roads. The Zog Snowblower is a high-end machine, offering power and quality as evidenced by its enormous clearance capacities of up to 8,000 tons an hour. This enormous power is provided by the Zogg's powerful engines. Its finely tuned hydrostatic wheel and auger drive, as well as a variably adjustable steering and long casting distance, ensures the precise handling and maneuverability. The Zaugg comes in models uniquely suited for either narrow streets, mountain passes, or airport service areas. As an example, the model Rollba 5000 has maximum clearance speeds of 40 kilometers an hour, while its driving speed hovers around 60 kilometers an hour. It also has a design clearance width, which is 3 meters, while its casting distance extends up to 35 meters. Doohan Mexico iTank. The Doohan Mexico iTank is an innovative 3-wheel thrill machine. Created by Kartik Ram, this exquisitely balanced vehicle has been proven to have American-grade safety and excellent performance, granted by its new Bosch motor, which makes it capable of handling even more passage loads. The Doohan Mexico iTank also comes equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Additionally, an iOS and Android-compatible app helps the operator to see a dashboard for diagnostics and analysis purposes. The iTank is particularly suited to long-distance drives and has been shown to travel as long as 100 kilometers on a single charge. This unique and technologically advanced vehicle comes with its own tools and instructions for maintenance. Rinspeed Snap. The Rinspeed Snap is not a simple car. Without a doubt, it's a car of the future. Produced by a Swedish company, this vehicle comes with sensors and a highly advanced navigation system, which makes car travel a breeze. Literally, all you need to do is set a destination and travel with your feet up, enjoying the passing scenery. In addition to this, the Rinspeed Snap also functions as a transformer with 2 main components, a skateboard platform and the pop module. This vehicle is powered by a ZF electric motor, which gives it a range of 38 to 69 horsepower and a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, and it can run for up to 60 miles on a single charge. XMSOne. The XMSOne was developed by a group of students from the University of Dalarna in their quest to create the most efficient vehicle. The XMSOne has been battle-tested in the Delspo electric competition and is made up of primarily aluminum alloy, which gives it its lightweight and speed. Power is produced by 4 12-volt batteries and equipped with an electric motor with a power of 500 watts. This speedster can travel 2 miles in a breathtaking 20 minutes and only consuming 0.75 watts an hour per mile. Thanks for watching! Hit the subscribe button and feel free to explore this channel to see something new. I'll see you guys again with some new innovations. Peace, sayonara!